So ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the Vivo X60. Hey guys, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox this one, the Vivo X60, which is co-engineered with Zeiss. So you all know that Huawei is co-engineered by Leica, so this one is co-engineered with Zeiss. So if you're not familiar with that one, actually this one is a very familiar brand before. I mean, Nokia has partnered with Zeiss before, or Zeiss or Zeiss, I'm not sure kung ano bang exact pronunciation, but yes, they've partnered with them before, and they are known pagdating sa camera lenses. They are good. So I do expect that the Vivo X60 would have a very, very powerful camera inside. So time to unbox this one. We got here a really nice box here in the smartphone. As you can see in here, we got here the rough texture. I like the design, simple and yet very premium. All right, so we got here the smartphone, and wow, look at that. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's premium, it's awesome. Look at that. I love the design that we're getting in here. Later, we're gonna talk about the smartphone, but first, let's turn this one on and let's see kung ano ba meron dito sa loob ng Vivo X60. So first, we got here the in-ear phones. We also got here the 33 watts fast charger. It's the Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. It's not a jelly case, but it is soft na shell dito sa smartphone. Of course, we got here the manuals and the pin for the card tray. And of course, we got here the USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, alam niyo na kung nasa loob ng box na to. Time to play with the Vivo X60 smartphone. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Vivo X60. As you can see in here, the smartphone does pose a very nice design. We also got here a thin profile. As you can see in here, it's thin, it's light, it is sleek. We also got here the rear camera of the smartphone with the Zeiss logo over here. We got triple lens camera over here, which is a 48 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel telephoto, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. And on the front, we got here the 32 megapixel selfie camera. So as you can see in here, the smartphone again is a beautiful smartphone. I like the design. I like everything. I like almost most of the design of the smartphone. This one, I believe, is made up of glass at the back. Then dito sa sides, it's plastic. We also got here the power button, also the volume rocker, and below we got here, ayan. So you can see that because of the focus, but it's actually a USB-C port and also the speaker grill along with the card tray. So, malinis siya tignan. As you can see in here, it's matte glass at the back, so not much of a fingerprints na ma-experience nyo dito. And it's clean, it's sleek. Again, I like the colors, yung reflections na nakuha natin dito. And what I like about it is that despite having a Snapdragon 870 processor dito, we still got here yung thin profile along with 5G. So yes, that I really appreciate na meron dito sa Vivo X60. As you can see here in the front, we got here 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 120Hz display. So it's beautiful, it is sleek, it is nice, the colors are nice, the viewing angles are really good, and the blacks are really black. And yes, the smartphone's display is really bright. It's a really premium and flagship level pagdating yung design na meron tayo dito sa Vivo X60. Everything is likable, everything is really good, everything is flagship level yung dating. And I actually appreciate that they've used a Snapdragon 870 processor in this one and not some 700 series or older or lower na generation na mga Snapdragon processors. Okay, so inside we also got here 256 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM. So there's a lot of RAM na meron tayo dito, a lot of storage, so marami kayo ma-install dito. So you're probably curious about this software. Well, this one runs on FunTouchOS 11.1 based on Android 11. As you can see in here, we got here some pre-installed applications. Most of them are useful, and look at the display. It is smooth, it is nice, it is buttery smooth kasi thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate na meron tayo dito. Thankfully, we got here the smart switch, which actually yung na-appreciate nyo yung kanyang screen refresh rate kasi automatically mag-change from 60 to 120 Hz depending doon sa kanyang scenarios. This also means that the smartphone will conserve more battery kasi nga hindi siya laging 120Hz. Minsan bumababa siya depending sa usage nyo. So for example, nakatigil lang tayo, mababa yung refresh rate natin. But once we swipe left and right, you can see in here that it is smooth. That's 120Hz na refresh rate. Of course, this is also applicable to some games and some applications. But of course, we will get down to that once we have a review of the Vivo X60. But so far, I like that what we're getting in here. We got here the app drawer. Again, we got here a lot of pre-installed applications. That won't be a problem considering its storage. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-intruding. As you can see in here, the functionalities are here. Everything is here. Malinis siya tingnan. Malinis ang PhanTouchOS 11.1. And of course, you're probably curious na sa kanyang camera. Now, let's check out the camera application that we got here dito sa smartphone na to. Now, here's the camera app of the smartphone. So, as you can see here, we got here the night mode, the portrait mode, the photo mode, and since we got here telephoto lens, we can zoom up to 20 times dito sa smartphone na to. As for the video, we got here the video, the settings, and you can adjust the resolution up to, okay, na-exit natin. We can adjust the resolution up to 4K and up to 60 frames per second. So, there's no 8K on this one since this is an 870 processor, but I mean, sino bang gumagamit ng 8K right now, right? Everything is going lang sa up to 4K. And 4K 60 FPS, I think that's more than fine sa mga most shoots natin. Of course, we got here the different features, the live photo mode, pro mode, long exposure, the super moon, the pro sports, the astro, and a lot more. So you're probably curious, kamusta yung camera natin dito? Ngayon, tignan natin yung mga shots na kuha natin dito sa smartphone na to. So as you can see dito sa mga shots natin, I was really happy na ganun yung mga result na nakuha natin. I mean, the photos are sharp, the colors are good, and they are really, really fine for a smartphone like this. I didn't expect that it would have that good na camera, but of course, sana mas maganda yung telephoto natin pagdating sa mas malayo pa, more than 20 times. Pero yeah, it's a welcome feature na 20 times, okay na sa akin yun. The ultra-wide is just fine. Everything is actually pretty fine dito sa Vivo X60. This is actually a fine smartphone. Unfortunately, wala pa tayong price, but I'm expecting na magkamera na tayo sometime once na ma-upload ko na tong video na to. So I guess that's it dito sa ating Vivo X60. It's a nice smartphone. We got a nice features. Really cool design. I mean, at the back, you can see in here, nice reflections. The camera is nice too. Maganda rin yung protruding natin dito. Hindi siya ganun kakapal compared to other smartphones. So, I really appreciate na ganun yung ginawa ni Vivo dito. So, may balance tayo ng design and also power pagdating sa kanyang camera. I also appreciate that they've used a Snapdragon 870 on this one instead of other processors na mas luma or some other processors na mas mababa. So, yes, that's a thumbs up for me dito sa Vivo. And the display, it's a good 120Hz refresh rate. So yeah, I guess that's it dito sa unboxing and quick review natin ng Vivo X60. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am JumOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again sa susunod na video.